teaching. Gukoragwo na ira twitaga informal, non-formal and formal. Nwegwa. So teaching is not just classroom based. Koguo na utongoria wakwa na siasa ndui, one of the things that I focus most on ni kuthomithia andu. You know, na tondu wira wa mwarimu ni kuruta maheni. Ni kuhenua murahenua, this is the truth. Ni kuhenua murahenua, this is the truth, because ignorance is a dangerous disease.
Warikia wathie wathoma riu, wathie wathoma maundu ma marketing na maundu ma security. Hindi orio mundu mwithi tondu ni hindi wa kiuma thukuru
kabisa.
Muturire waku wanjiriria atia kuma hau?
Because my security training is kuma British background. Dokire Nairobi da hustle. Wetagwa andu metagwa hustlers. Tondu Nairobi have been homeless for a year.
Homeless?
Ni
ndure na kundu gwa guikara.
Hatire handu gwa guikara kabisa.
Waikaraga ku?
Ndahoyaga nyumba cia andu makamba floor carpets where for a whole year. Ndare na nguo igiri iratu itofokete and stuff the sort. Kwena handu ndakinyire I lost everything. But I remember the words of my father. Fafwa kwa ajire kendo ajira, do not lose your mind or God. Those two things. No kore ore streets ugeka kire yakaga no ndaugirire
hakiri ciaku na Ngai.
Hakiri ciaku na Ngai.
Atiriri Dennis ni twaruga. We college woka Nairobi. Woka Nairobi wabire ugiuka Nairobi gweka ate? Woka gwetha
Dokire Nairobi because at that time when we graduated from teaching college, kedo kire gekire atiriri, the government was not employing teachers. For 2 solid years, they were not employing teachers. Kabisa. So you had to come and hustle and sort yourself. Nani giugare, digo the back Embu, tigajikare Nairobi, I hustle for myself. I look for work. Jedewira na kendogia weka. So what I did is that I came and enrolled myself for marketing, and I got a marketing job. And Nadare Fagwa about 5,000 shillings a month. So you have to sort your transport. Dama ketaga confectionery from Canada, sweets, the remede. Kuma Canada na keria sietagwa atia. Isi breakfast cereals. Isi Kellogg's cornflakes and other things from Canada. Dadikitwe ni muhede hari ogo igiri. Na that time my cousin etagwa Grace was hosting me in Langata wake. So and then I was trying to push again to go to the United States to Kurung'a. No, I mean, we didn't have enough cash for that. But specifically, I was just hustling for that. So, nadade kwa wira, I did well. Nadio in Nairobi, first of all. My greatest ambition, naderaga gai, devia modenyo mweginye hari ogo KICC on my own. Todo dare completely green, modu akuma gishagi. Coming to hustle in Nairobi.
No, you're preaching to the choir.
Yeah, completely. No, gimenya kwena thuri mekaraga hari ogo hakuwe na Aga Khan Walk. Maceragia wira. Kogo ngithi hau ngiona muthuri uria ekarite tafafa wakwa. I picked up a guy called Kiongo, etagwa Kiongo. Now Kiongo got a visa. He's in the United States. So when I was doing my sales job, ndareha Kiongo magana matano per day. Tono ndare na commission. Negu anyonie Nairobi. Tondo muende aheaga list ya 30 places to visit. They wakandeka Parklands, ndio supermarket what is illegal. I don't even know how to get to KICC. Kogo Kiongo akanyonia igira matatu ino. Thioguo ne haha doi and that's how I came to know Nairobi.
Hehe do matatu cia kwanyu mundu wagira ko hari tea room.
Tea room.
Ne hocio yagirwo.
Hau ne hocio yagirwo.
Riu no akinyira handu ugiciria muthenya umwe teke nyume ha tea room nginya KICC bagoro nyone kana ne go.
No, it was too risky. No, Kiongo muthe ucio ne kianyitire njara akenyonia iria keria shortcuts yothe ginya kundu hasra wenda kugura giki uguraga ginya downtown yothe demio na mikora yothe
no weka wega woka hau tondu tugaga wa mwega ocirwo ta wa muru ugithomaga maundu maya mega ma Nairobi no ginya ukorwo he maundu mangi wathomire thaici wa maroro uguo kona na maundu macio no korwo ni mandeithagia thaici tondu ndamenyire no matiari mega muno guthoma maundu ta mariko kwaja muno maundu ma downtown
maundu ma downtown
kuma tuga mu yave ni ugo ikuruka
maundu ma downtown makoragwo maundu maritu kwanza gukoragwo na bar nyingi gukira kiria gukira hoteli. And I remember sometimes tondu wa hustler nduri na wira wa gwika ndurenda gwikara nyumba koguo goka ugekara bar. Ndakwira downtown no iguteithie bar kabisa kabisa. So how ugo ha downtown ne Ngai adutire ho tondu ngandika no ikana efuku ria kiria mite John Kiriamete, My Life in Crime. I was this near to get into crime.
Atia
ugakorana na mikora all sorts. Nyoe wauma shukuru gutire na wira, the opportunities are so hard to find. But oria modu aronekana taka ara make it ne mukora. Ena gari, ena dwe. So it's very easy for them to recruit you. Ateti. It's very easy for them to recruit you into crime. Nadakwera, I sat with them on tables several times when they were planning several things. And I was like, hey, nyamo no ekore attractive.
Maundu maria uruga mamwe maria mabangagwo wi hau nita mariku.
And none of them is alive to date, by the way. Nikwaria owegoro turoshire thimo tweka doi, but I'm talking those are many years ago. Kathikiriria tu kona okay, that sounds like ishone besa. Da ishio nie jikaraga ka I moved out of my cousin jikaraga ka SQ na ko langata inside karaura bura. Ona ugakora de na girlfriend dinge mutwara date ngona okoro yo re
ngatimuru
ngakora we na besa. But God saved me from getting into crime. And automatically, by His grace, adethia kwambiriria company that was in advertising and filming.
Wajiriria company ino urio kunya makema. Urio guko hustling ya
mba. Daumire marketing, wera wa marketing ugithira. Ngengera now guko downtown. Then after downtown, what I did is that ndaigirire company yakaga maundu makeria ma advertising na maundu ma marketing, and I volunteered myself for 6 months without a salary. I don't even know how I survived. How ugo neho darutire culture ya fasting. Wakora dure na irio fast hoi. God will come through for you. And so for 6 months I donated my time and I learned. Then from there I had about 20,000 shillings. Getting got a company. Savings, pure savings. And I now got involved into church things because either nyegere okora or I look up to God for provision.
Na baba wanyu akwirire maundu meri ndukanate thiini wa muturire hakiri ciaku na ndukanatiganirie Ngai
na ndigatiganire ne Ngai. So on the table when you're being recruited by these wakoras, the first thing you have ni akiri. You understand? And the only thing you have ne Ngai.
Nyitirira point yo hau ndugathie kuraya tugicokereria tumenye atiriri mundu ugwitwo Dennis Nthumbi akorirwo aumire atia ku marimaini macio mariku uguo nginya agikinya handu atenia kurugama gutuika senator wa Nairobi ni arakoretwo agitia kura guku thiini wa mucie munene wa Nairobi. Ndugathie kuraya nitugucokereria na Dennis thutha wa ihinda ritari coho.